jawbreakers at us.
Watch your step, Eddie.
Ready, Ed? Head square. Hey, guys, my nose tickles.
Not good, not good.
Quick, let's pull him out.
Look at me, I'm filthy.
Kevin got our jawbreakers? Hey, Kevin, just a slight problem. We'll have it cleaned up in a jiffy. I'll clean you, dorks! Hey! Quit running! Hey, slow down, buddy! Oh, friends, amigos! That was a total waste of time!
Perhaps if we apologize.
Forget it! It's time we put matters into my hands. Can I keep this wig?